Hello my dear student, today is the same topic regarding lesson number 12 perimeter and area of standard 7th. So today in this lecture video we will discuss about the surface area of a cuboid and what is the surface area of a cube. Okay, so before going directly on topic we should know that for cuboid which figure we need and for the cube which figure is need. Okay, for the cuboid we need the figure of what? Rectangle. Okay, and rectangular shape, and for the cube we need a figure of square. Okay, so how the cuboid we can see, you see matchbox, so many examples are there. Just you see, if I'm taking the two rectangle like this way, if I'm going to draw, if I'm joining their edges like this way, and if you see, this is the figure of cuboid है ना, this is the figure of rectangle. Okay, how many rectangles are there we don't know now. So for that purpose I draw, see like this way I made one box which is in rectangular shape है ना, ये जो shape है कैसा है, rectangular है. And if you see this shape and this shape is totally they are same, they are just looking same. Yes, why? So now we have to calculate that how many faces are there in this cuboid. Okay, for that purpose I made like this way one box, you know, or you can take at your home a matchbox is also there. So that matchbox shape is also one type of a rectangular. Your books, notebooks what you are using, that is also one type of rectangular, right? And your compass box, geometrical compass box, that is also one best example for recognize that also a rectangular in shape. So now we are going to calculate the face. So how many faces are there? See, this is we call as a top, एक टॉप वन. ओके, और सपोज आई एम राइटिंग ये वन, ये वन हो गया. ओके, इसका बॉटम, बॉटम मीन्स नीचे, दैट इज वी कॉल्ड एज अ टू. ओके, दिस इज वी कॉल्ड एज अ वन. ओके, then top, bottom, then side, that is this we call this, if you are writing this number 3. Okay, and this if I am writing number 4. Okay, now corner side, this one 5 and this one 6. So how many faces are there in the cuboid? How many faces? 6 faces. So we can write the first point word, a cuboid has how many faces? 6. How many? Sorry, 6 faces, right student? Now we can calculate the edges also. edges मतलब क्या होता है, इसके साइड्स, ये जो साइड्स होते हैं ना इसको कहते हैं एजेस. वर्टेक्स भी होते हैं क्यूबाइड में, जैसे कि एक सिंपल है रेक्टेंगुलर तो इसमें वर्टेक्स कितने हो गए, 1 2 3 4 वर्टेक्स, और एजेस मीन साइड्स 1 2 3 4. बट इन रेक्टेंगुलर क्या है, टू अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. तो आप जब देखोगे तो अपोजिट फेसेस जो उनके जो एरिया होता है वो सेम होता है, ठीक है. और आप देखोगे कि ये जो रेक्टेंगुलर होते हैं क्यूबाइड में, तो ये दो जो होते हैं फेसेस, लेंथ ये और ये परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं. ओके, बट इफ़ यू आर सीइंग द फेस ऑफ दिस क्यूब आई ऑल्सो मेड, दिस इज़ वन टाइप ऑफ क्यूब. ये एक ये एक स्क्वायर शेप का है जिसका क्या होता है, ईच फेस ये जो है स्क्वायर होता है, ठीक है. और इसमें भी जैसे कि क्यूबाइड में 6 फेस होते हैं तो हम इसको भी बोलेंगे अ क्यूब हैज़ हाउ मेनी फेस, इसको भी 6 फेस ही होते हैं, ठीक है. और इनके जो फेसेस होते हैं सभी फेसेस इक्वल होते हैं, ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड. सो अब नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए क्यूबाइड इवन ऑल्सो, एंड we have to calculate the total surface area of a cuboid. ये कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक फेस है तो फेस में क्या L इंटू बी है ना. तो वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल मीन्स लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. तो ये एक फेस हो गया, ये फेस का और ये फेस का, तो 2 टाइम्स L इंटू बी होगा. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, 2 टाइम्स L इंटू बी प्लस, ठीक है, ये एक हो गया प्लस. अब नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, जैसे ये अगर ये साइड अगर हमने इसको टर्न किए तो ये b इंटू एच, तो ये एक साइड b इंटू एच और ये भी b इंटू एच होगा, है ना, जिसका जस्ट ऑपोजिट साइड, तो 2 टाइम्स b इंटू एच होगा, ठीक है. जैसे ये हो गया. अब ऊपर का क्या फाइंड आएगा, l, ये लेंथ है, ये लेंथ है तो ये भी लेंथ होगा, ठीक है. तो ये हाइट है तो ये भी क्या होगा, हमारा हाइट होगा, ठीक है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड. सो ये L और ये भी, तो क्या होगा, 2LH होगा. अब देखा जाए तो तीनों में से कॉमन निकाले कि 2, तो LB प्लस BH प्लस LH, तो ये आपका क्या होगा, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए क्यूबाइड होगा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड. सेम थिंग हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए क्यूब होगा। बट क्यूब में ऑल फेसेस क्या है ना, तो जो 6 फेसेस है वो सेम है, तो उनका जो 6 फेसेस है यानी 6 होगा 6। और अगर एरिया ऑफ 1 स्क्वायर फाइंड करें तो एल इंटू एल एल स्क्वायर, तो 6 फेस का क्या होगा, सभी साइड इक्वल है तो एल ही होगा, तो डैट इज एल स्क्वायर, तो 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एल इंटू 6 एल स्क्वायर। सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल surface area of a cuboid, and when you are going to find the total surface area of a cube, so you have to write the formula 6L, and for cuboid you have to write the formula of 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, have you understood? So like this way, this is the introduction part. Now we will jump on our exercise. Okay, so let us go through the exercise. What is the first practice set 47 we are going to solve now. So practice set 47. What is the first question here? Find the total surface area of cubes. Now they ask about the cubes, so which formula student you have to use? Yes, 6L square, not LB plus BH plus LH, because you know that if the cube is given, so you have to use the formula of square, and if it is cuboid, then you have to use the formula of LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, so what is the first here? You have to find the total surface area of a cube having the following sides. Means sides already given to you, and you have to find the total surface area of cube, right? So what is the side here? First side is you are given to 3 centimeter. It is the side means length of the segments, right? So we have to write, we know what is the formula, total surface area of a cube. How much we know? 6 into L square. Okay, you can write here in between multiplication also, no problem. So 6 into length means how much is given, 3 is given, but we have to write the 3, okay, in bracket square. Okay, so now 6 into 3, square of 3 is how much? 3 3 is a 9. So what is the answer will come? 6 into 9, 54. See students, but here this is not a last answer. We have to write the units also. So I told you, if the area is given, so you have to write, because it is the unit in centimeters, so we have to write here centimeter square you can write, or you can write as the square centimeter also, no problem, right? So like this way you have to do each and every question. Now we are going to start the next question. Question number 2, what is the length is given for that? 5 centimeter is given to you. So same you have to write, we have to find for 5 centimeter. So what we have to write? Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. So now put the value of length, means side. What is side here? 5. So 5 in bracket square. Okay, so 6 into 5 square is how much? 25. Now multiply, 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12, 13, 6 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 50. So you can write either centimeter square, or you can write the square centimeter. Both the way it is right only. Okay, now we have to calculate the third question. Now let us solve the third one. That is 7.2 meter length is there. So now you can see, observe, the unit is given in meter. So what will the answer will come? Yes, meter square or square meter. Okay, so write the solution here. So what you will write? We have to find the total surface area of a cube. That is the formula 6 into L square. So put the value of L here, that is 7.2 whole square. Now you have to see here, in decimal point it is given, so you have to multiply 72 multiplied by 72. How much? 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, multiply 7 2s are 14, 7 are 49, 50, 4 8 1 5. So here 2 is there, so after how many point we have to write the 2? After 2. Okay, so what will be the answer here? 5 6 into 51.84. Now this 51.84 you have to multiply by what? 6. So what will the answer? 6 4s are 24, 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, then 6 1s are 6 11, 6 5s are 30, 31. Okay, so what will the answer is coming? 31104. But after decimal point, how many numbers are there? 2. So after 212 we have to put a decimal point. And what will be the unit here? Meter square. Right, students? Okay, so calculation you have to do very perfectly, and you should know the formula of cube and cubite, then only you can calculate each and every question. Now we are solving fourth one. 6.8 meter is given, so same way you have to write total surface area of a cube, that is 6 into L square. So now put the value of L here, that is 6.8 square. Now 6.8 square is how much? You should know. So we have to calculate 68 multiplied by 68. You have to do 8 8s are 64, 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 50, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 6 8s are 48, 6 is 36, 37, 38, 9, 40. So 4, 2, 6, 4. Okay, so how much? 4, 6, 2, 4. So after 2, 1, 2. Okay, now this 2 multiply by 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 12, 13, 14, 6 36, 37, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. So what is 2, 7, 7, 44. So how many point after 2 we have to put here, and what is the unit here? Meter. So you have to write in meter square. Okay, student, now we will go to calculate the last, that is fifth number, 5.5 meter. So same way you have to write total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square, write in bracket. So put the value of L, that is 5.5 square. So you know that so we have to find the square of 5.5 multiplied by 55. Same way, 5 has a 25, 5 has a 20. Don't see this point, afterward we can see. Okay, so 5 has a 25, 26, 27, 5 has a 25, 27, that is 5, then 2, 10, 3. So 30.25. Okay, because after 2 in a decimal point, 1 2, after 1.1 decimal point, after 1 decimal point, 2 decimal point after. So multiplied by, now we have to multiply it by 6. 6 5 are 30, 6 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 3 are 18. Okay, so how much is answer is coming? 18150. So after how many number? 1 2 1 2 after this, and you have to write meter square. Okay, like this way we completed question number 1 of each and every problem I solved, student. You also have solved at home. Practice well, because practice make man perfect, right, student? So try to solve each and every calculation. Must you should know the table first. Okay, so read the table nicely. Okay, now we are going to solve the next question in the next lecture video. Okay, thank you.